day here in Mississippi. Okay, today is today. I had planned to clean from under my garage, but it's raining. So I guess I have to wait until tomorrow. But I had planned to clean from under here today and pull up my railings. I already had that one, but I got some more, two more. I was gonna put one on each side. So I got my daughter's wash and dry up under here. The refrigerator she had in the stove, when she moved, she didn't need that anymore. So I'm gonna take it out. I was thinking about making this out of a one-bedroom apartment out here. But I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I do not know. But you see, it needs to be cleaned out. I got coolers and fans and everything up under here. Pressure washers and tillers. Children toys. I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna get around to it. I'm gonna do it. Start on it this morning. And when I come out, it's raining. I'm gonna have to take some of this out to the storage building. And then some of it is going in 513. That is the trash. And I'm gonna burn it. See, I got even printers out here. The printers is good, they're just old. So nobody wants that. So I'll get to it either this evening or tomorrow. Okay, my camera's been picking up some strange things on them.